Grill cleaning, the basics and beyond. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and useful topic in the English language: grill cleaning. This phrase is not just about cleaning a cooking grill, but it's also packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. Whether you're a language learner, a cooking enthusiast, or just curious, you'll find this video helpful. Let's get started. Grill cleaning is a compound noun, a combination of two words, grill and cleaning. A grill is a device used for cooking food over direct heat, often found in kitchens or outdoor cooking areas. Cleaning, on the other hand, refers to the act of making something free from dirt, marks, or mess. Together, the phrase grill cleaning refers to the process of cleaning a cooking grill. It's a common household task, especially after barbecues or outdoor cooking sessions. In many cultures, especially where barbecues and outdoor cooking are popular, grill cleaning holds significant value. It's often seen as a necessary chore after a fun and enjoyable cooking experience. The phrase is commonly used in casual conversations, especially during summer months or around major holidays like Independence Day in the USA. Understanding this phrase helps in appreciating cultural practices related to cooking and maintaining equipment. Let's talk about the practical side of grill cleaning. It involves removing food residues, grease, and charred bits from the grill's surface. There are various methods, like using a grill brush, applying cleaning solutions, or employing natural cleaners like vinegar or baking soda. Remember, regular cleaning not only keeps the grill hygienic but also extends its lifespan and ensures better tasting food. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of grill cleaning, but also its relevance in everyday conversations and cultural contexts. Whether you're learning English or just interested in different phrases, remember that language is a window into culture and lifestyle. Happy learning, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.